Hey, new gun range opened up here near me. Gonna go check it out. But first, I gotta get that squared away first. All right, one more stop. I gotta get some gun range fuel for myself here. So this is a start. All right, now you see why I usually come in the indoor range in the winter months, because right now it's like 14 degrees out here. It's pretty damn cold. All right, so I'm here at Midwest Shooting Center here. This is Ashley. Ashley is the general manager. So Ashley, tell me something about Midwest Shooting Center, because your main location is in Lima, right?
Yeah, that's our first location that opened. We have since opened 3 other locations: Fort Wayne, North
Looking in
Pittsburgh,
the lens right there.
and and here in Savannah. We're looking to expand to Cleveland, Southern Cleveland area, Dayton, and Indianapolis by next year. So
nice. So
growing
I
rapidly.
I was gonna say it's growing pretty fast.
Yeah.
But yeah, this is pretty good. I stopped in last night. Check it out, though. You gave me a quick run through on basically what your lanes offer.
Yeah.
Shooting lanes offer. So like I said, I've been to a bunch of them. So I'm just curious what does Midwest have?
Yeah, we have 20 indoor shooting lanes. They are rated for pistols, shotguns, rifles, so you can shoot anything up to and including a 308.
So that'd be like level 8
Yes.
protection.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're technically rated for up to a 50 cal. 50 cals cause a lot of damage on a 25-yard lane,
Yeah.
so we just don't let you shoot them in here.
Right.
You are not allowed to shoot any steel core ammo, incendiary rounds, anything that will cause a fire downrange.
Right. That's any range.
Yeah, we keep a range safety officer out on the lanes with you guys from start to finish, so we make sure people are utilizing the facility safely and correctly, which is an added bonus. The lanes are 6 feet in length. They are 100% ballistic grade bulletproof glass. We also incorporate a 3-foot sound buffer, like padding in those lanes. So if you're shooting at somebody that's shooting like a rifle or higher powered ammunition, it's not as noisy even if you're in the next stall.
Right.
And we put that sound barrier about 15 feet down the lanes, so the noise cancellation. We have people out there shooting right now, and as you can hear, you don't really hear anything.
Yeah, it's really quiet.
So our soundproofing is something that we put a lot of money into and definitely focused on, just to make sure that it was a good experience for everybody, even if you're shopping in our locations.
Right, because I noticed that too. I was like, it's really, really quiet.
Yeah.
As far as the noise coming from the range, and that's what a lot of people even on the lanes too. So with firing going on, so yeah, I was impressed with that. I was like, man, it's really noise suppressed out here, you know, pretty good. So.
Yeah, and we have a state-of-the-art ventilation system installed also. It cleans and circulates the air every 7 seconds, so it's actually cleaner and safer than shooting outdoors.
Nice.
So.
Unless you got like a good, you know, a good east or west wind.
Yeah.
Yeah, like my range, you guys see my videos, you know, my property or my range, that wind flow is east and west. So, you know, on my place, I've got ventilation all the time, you know, it's always blowing away.
Yeah.
Some way it's blowing away from me all the time. So,
Yeah.
outside of you guys making comments about my horses, you know, relax on the horses, fellas.
Yeah, gotta be nice to the horses.
They freak out. Every time we're on fire, you know, my horses, they always kind of, it's funny. My horses move. When they see me show up and I start unloading my gear, they got smart. They got hip over years. They start moving towards the front of the fence, you know, when I'm going back. So it's funny. I get comments like, anyway, that's just me rambling on here. But let's, matter of fact, let's go in the lane here and break down exactly what your setup is here.
Absolutely.
All right. I actually had to go work, so she couldn't actually help me out. That's all right. So, as you see, pretty much everything is standard, man. You see the new modern day indoor gun ranges. A lot of them use the same system, right? The caliber system here. So, if you're familiar with it, it's the same deal. But turn this around here so you can see it's still a good look. It's brand new. Level 8, as you see, ballistic tested. So, things are pretty solid here. So I'm gonna put a few rounds down range here. I got this range that's laying here for a little bit. And get some rounds down here in this brand new range. Eyes getting a little old, man. It's getting blurry out there when it starts getting range. But I ran through every range, 10 foot all the way to 75 feet. I don't like that stray. Wasn't set for the shot. Slow one here. It's all right though. I'll take this grouping here. These groupings here all the way straight out. Now, granted, I haven't big distance in probably 6-7 months for anything for range, so we're probably longer than that. It's good enough. It's good enough to get that flow. All right, that's it, man. Try to get this video together quick as I could and put a little detail to it. Give you good insight here. It's really good, man. This is like I said, this is not their main one. The main one is in Lima, but this one right here, this facility here is in Sylvania, Ohio. So this is right around the corner from me. Very close, quick. I mean, I'm here in less than 10 minutes. So, but this is good. This is good. The only time I really show myself around any indoor gun ranges, honestly, is in the winter months. So, as you guys know, I do all of my stuff in my own range at home. But the weather's got to be pretty fair, okay? Spring, summer, fall, great. You know, when it's cold, like today, winter months, yeah, I'm indoors on this stuff. So I'm gonna give you some more stuff coming at you here with some more probably product reviews or actually some gun reviews. You know, let's do a challenge, some versus stuff here, and most likely you'll see me doing it right here, Midwest Shooting Range. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it, man. Also, check out my other videos here too. You can see my back burner project or different stuff like that in my playlist or whatever. And tell me what you think, man. Leave it in the comments below. What do you think of the center? I mean, everything is great, man. It's a great HVAC system in it. It's absolutely clean. Really, really nice. So, as I said, hey, give it a thumbs up, share this content, give me content, man. And don't forget to subscribe, all right? Until the next one, I got to get out. It's cold, man. It's freezing out here. All right. Hey, you are responsible for your own safety.